Hey Justin, this is Tyler. I wanted to make this video for you and just give you a couple tips that you can implement right away to start outranking some of your competition online and bringing in more customers for your business. So I have your website pulled up here. And I gotta say that the logo is awesome. The header here is great. We're rough on dirt. I love it. So I learned a little bit about your business as I was scrolling through. It looks like you offer a couple different services here. But the first thing that I really want to get into is content. And with Google, content's king. They like to see anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 words on the home page. And then as far as your service pages, you definitely want different service pages for each of your services, okay? Because, allowing you to put that content onto your site, and for service pages, you want anywhere from 500 to 1,000 words. But, putting that content on your site, it's going to allow you to rank for specific keywords that people are typing into Google all the time. So that way, when they type in, carpet cleaning in your area, you're going to come up, right, over your competitors. So that's definitely the first thing that I wanted to really touch upon was content. And I pulled up a report of your website just so you can see like the back end of it. All right. So I use a tool called Ahrefs, and it just shows the data, such as the rank, information of your backlink profile. And a backlink is just a vote of confidence, basically, from one site to another. So it's a link from one site to another, and it passes power and trust, and it boosts up your Google ranking. Okay, so you have 2 sites currently pointing back to your site, giving you 4 total backlinks, and you're only ranking for 1 keyword right now. So this is kind of how I started my research. So carpet, Harrisonburg, VA. Okay, obviously your location and your service. It's bringing in 20 searches a month. You're, on the 10th page for that, something like that, right? So it's not really bringing in any traffic. But what I did was I researched some competitors in your area, all right? And, when I typed in carpet cleaning Harrisonburg, VA, you'll be surprised at the amount of search volume that people use that word on Google on a daily basis. So I came down here, I skipped the map pack section for now, I skipped the ads, and I went to the first competitor. So let's take a look at them. I'm going to click on Green Solutions here, and it looks like they do a lot of the same, offer the same services as you guys. And as we can see, they have different pages for each of their services. Okay, they go into a little bit of content here, some reviews, it looks like, some before and after pictures, which is great, right? Customers love to see this, but they definitely don't have that 1,000 to 2,000 words of content that I talked about. So right away, you adding in that content to your site, mixing in those keywords is going to help you outrank these guys in that regard. So pulling up their report, we can see it obviously looks a lot different than yours. Okay, they do have 17 sites pointing back to theirs, giving them almost 400 backlinks, and their power and trust metrics are a little bit higher, but they are ranking for 55 keywords. And then take a look at the traffic that they're currently bringing in. And this is a per month basis here. So if we take a look at these keywords, we can see here the big one, carpet cleaning Harrisonburg, VA, right? That's bringing in 100 searches a month. So 100 people a month are looking for carpet cleaning in your area, all right? And these guys are drawing in 31 of those out of the 100. Okay, so they're definitely turning those into customers, or at least some of them, right? So these are the buyer intent keywords that I like to focus on. Someone in Harrisonburg, VA needs carpet cleaning. So, that's definitely a keyword you want to rank for. Then we have here Harrisonburg carpet cleaning without the VA. It's bringing in 30 searches. Upholstery, your area, 50. They're obviously ranking for their name. Let's see if we can find any other ones here that, could benefit. Solutions, carpet cleaning, dry cleaners, Harrisonburg carpet cleaning. And we're just going to scroll down here just to see if anything stands out, right? But, these are the keywords that they're ranking for, and there's 2 pages worth. The volumes on the left side here. Cleaning services in Harrisonburg, VA, there's 10 searches a month. All right, so what we want to do is we want to add in that content. We want to get your rank up higher, so you can bring in this traffic. And this is the position they're in on Google. So you can see, being that first position for that keyword, it's going to bring them their traffic. And then as they come down here, right, to the 5th position and so on for different keywords, the traffic goes down. So you can see how important it is to be in the top couple spots. All right, and then I typed it in one more time into Google. Okay, again, we skipped the ads and the map pack, and we came down here to the next competitor, oxyfresh.com. All right, this was a location page for them. So they're doing Harrisonburg carpet cleaning location. Okay, so this isn't their homepage. And I always like competing against location pages because you can definitely, beat them out with your whole entire website if you do it right. So this is actually a pretty good location page. It's got a lot of information. You can definitely beat them out with the more content though. But let's take a look at the back end. So they do have 6 sites pointing back to this specific back page, giving them 16 backlinks, and they are receiving some trust and power from their main site, and you can see their ranks pretty good here. But the keywords that they're ranking for, I mean, we're going to see some of the similar ones. Carpet cleaning Harrisonburg, 100 searches. Harrisonburg carpet cleaning, 30. So these are a little bit more focused, right? And these are actually some pretty good ones that you can take a look at and add to your site. But you can see they're bringing in traffic, especially for these top 2 where they're position 2. Okay, so definitely some ones that you want to focus on here. But we talked about content, we talked about backlinks, right? And just like the keywords, we can jump into the backlinks, figure out what's working, and then duplicate that process and then get higher quality backlinks as well, because not all backlinks are created equal. The last thing I want to touch upon are citations. And a citation is your name, address, and phone number. And we list those in business directories online, such as Yellow Pages. Okay, and it really all has to do with your Google My Business listing here. So I'm glad to see you have your listing. First things first, you want to optimize it. You want to make sure that you have tons of pictures, that you're saving those pictures correctly with keywords. The before and afters are great. All right, people like to see what you have going on, the work that you do. And again, the logo is great. So great job on that. And then you want all your information here, your name, address, phone number. You want your hours of business, right? Which it looks like you have. All right, it looks like you have some health and safety stuff, so that's great. Keep up the Google reviews. People love to see it. And then your description, you can max out at 750 characters. So, we talked about content a lot in the beginning. It's another opportunity for you to rank for more keywords. So your Google My Business is like a little mini website. It's a powerful tool to show up, another time on Google, right? That way, when we type in, carpet cleaning Harrisonburg, VA, all right, we come to this ad section a lot. And it looks like if this is you, it looks like that's you. So you're Google guaranteed, which is great. But a lot of people do skip the ad section and they're going to come down here to the map pack. And this is where you want to show up as well. So honestly, if you're here, down here, and in the organic section, I mean, you're taking over the first page and you're definitely going to bring in some more business. So that's definitely the goal, right? So if we hit view all here, we can see if we can try and find your listing here. So yeah, it's down here. But if nobody's hitting that view all, they're not going to find you. So adding in citations to your listing, optimizing that listing, that's what's going to get you up into these top 3 spots. All right. And then down here into the organic section, we want to make sure that we're not having to go down here to the 2nd, 3rd, 4th page. All right. We want to add that content in. We want to add those backlinks in. And that's what's going to get us into the top 3 spots or top couple spots up here as well. Again, competing against Green Solutions and OxyFresh. So utilize those tips, content, backlinks, and citations. It'll do wonders for your website and your business. If you have any questions at all, feel free to, hit me back up on Facebook. Give me a call. My phone number is 267-885-3473. Again, my name's Tyler, and I'd love to chat a little bit, maybe brainstorm some ideas about, how we can help you out. All right, I'll talk to you soon.